Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing good, and today in this video I am gonna show you a mini Flipkart haul. Now all of the things which I'm gonna be showing you today are from the makeup category, and I really love these, and these are very affordable, and because Valentine's Day is just around the corner, so these suggestions are gonna come very handy to you. So without further ado, we are quickly going to be diving in. And guys, Flipkart has some amazing offers going on right now. So you are going to get a budget beauty buys at a very affordable price. So guys, the first product I'm going to be talking about in today's haul is going to be this red liquid lipstick by Maybelline Sensational Liquid Matte, and I love this range. First of all, it's very affordable. I like the color payoff. Also, it stays for a very long time on your lips. I love the complete matte finish it gives. Also, I have 2 or 3 more liquid lipsticks from this range. I have showed them in my previous hauls also, but let's talk about this one. And now this is gonna be the shade More Than Red. Now I expected this color to be like red, but this shade is more of a rusty shade. Anyways, I love it. I like the color payoff, and it stays for a long time on your lips. And Valentine's Day was just around the corner, so I got myself this pretty red lipstick. So yes, it costed me around 240 rupees, and yes, Flipkart has some amazing offers going on. I'll make sure that I give the product link in the description box below as well. Next up guys, who doesn't like the glow? Now I love highlighters a lot, and this is the first time that I have gotten myself a sugar product, and this is gonna be their highlighter in the shade Golden Glory. Now if you're someone who falls in the skin tone just as mine, it is gonna be ideal for your skin tone, and there are like 3-4 more colors, and they are all curated for Indian skin tone, which I really love about this brand, and it is an Indian brand. So yes, I'm loving this product. I got this for 350 rupees. Although you get little product, but this is very buttery and it makes you glow. I felt like a golden goddess when I applied it, and yes, I loved the product so much. So if this Valentine's Day you want to get that glow, you can get this for sure. Also guys, if you go and check right now on Flipkart, you are gonna get the best quality at the lowest price. The next product we are gonna be talking about here is again a lip color, and I'm emphasizing more on lip color in this haul is because this is something which adds glow to your face, and also you can use it on your eyes and on your cheek, and you can get this perfect monochrome look. So next lip color is gonna be a bullet lipstick from the Lakme 9 to 5 range. It says that it stays for 14 hours, and yes, it is intense matte. I love the matte finish. I love the consistency of lip color. And after such a long time, I have gotten myself this lip. And after such a long time guys, I have gotten myself a bullet lipstick. Also the shade is gonna be more on the nudish side. Although I was expecting this to be a bit darker, it appeared to be the rusty shade, like perfect rust shade. But when I applied it, it looked more of pinkish tone. Anyways, I like the shade so much. Also, it says that it stays for 14 hours, but we know the story of matte lip colors. So yes, just make sure that you're moisturizing your lip good and then you're applying it. Also, if you have some dark shade and if you want to tone it down, this is going to be a perfect color for that. I was applying the lipstick today and it kind of made my face look very bright. So I wanted to tone it down a little into something nude. So I have topped this over, and the lip color is looking amazing. So I'm admiring this so much. So guys, last product is gonna be concealer. How can my haul gets done without concealers? I have a lot of concealers and I like them more than my foundation. Okay, just a good concealer all over my face, which helps in covering the blemishes or the little bit of pigmentation I have. I am gonna be good to go. So basically this is gonna be a highlighting shade, which I absolutely love. This is a refill. I love Wet n Wild concealer, and this is gonna be in the shade medium tawny, and I really like this shade. So once I conceal my face like with a corrector or something which has orange undertone for my dark circles, and then I top it over, it helps in highlighting the face and it makes my face so put together. So I had this a while ago. This is the second one I have got, and believe me guys, it is such a good concealer to have. All the beauty products which I have showed you in today's video are very affordable. And guys, if you go and check out on Flipkart, you are gonna get all the international brand at the best price. Also, you get the best of makeup, fragrance, deos, eyeliner, and all of those things under 399 rupees. So what are you waiting for? Just go and check out the links I have given in the description box below, and I'll see you guys super soon with another video. I hope you like this. If you did, do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll see you guys super soon with another one. Till then, take care. Bye. I love you guys so much.